where we journey through the profound teachings that shaped the path to enlightenment. In this episode, we explore the intriguing world of the Sramanas, the spiritual pioneers who inspired Prince Siddhartha on his transformative quest toward enlightenment. The Sramana movement originated between 800 and 600 before Common Era, as a distinct branch of the Vedic religion in ancient India. It promoted an ascetic approach to spiritual liberation and rejected the authority of Vedic Hindu priests known as Brahmins. Siddhartha initially adhered to the Sramana tradition, but eventually deviated from its teachings, forging his distinct path to enlightenment. This departure marked the inception of Buddhism as we recognize it today. The term Sramana or Samana refers to individuals who labor for a higher spiritual purpose. These seekers of truth forge their own unique paths, guided by personal methods and practices. Some embrace celibacy, while others adhere to strict dietary regimes. From prolonged meditation to extreme asceticism, each Sramana seeks a higher calling, relinquishing the mundane for the spiritual. Living austere lives, these individuals earn their livelihood through the charity and respect of lay people. Their commitment to a higher purpose makes them holy and respectable in the eyes of ordinary people. In ancient India, Sramanas enjoyed unparalleled spiritual freedom. They were free to form unique doctrines and beliefs, preaching openly to anyone who would listen. The free market of spiritualists gave rise to charismatic figures who traveled extensively to preach. It was common for Sramanas to disparage or debate with one another in their bid for more followers. This may cause distress to some people because they do not know who to believe. Such a social phenomenon persists today, with new holy men and women continuing to emerge and create organizations, each advocating their own unique philosophies. From the belief that laughter is the best medicine to strict yoga regimes, the diversity of spiritual teachings continues to thrive today. The Sramanas in ancient times developed their doctrines through contemplation, meditation, and reinterpretation of myths, philosophies, religious texts, cultural beliefs, legends, and so on. Some would mix the doctrines from other Sramanas to create hybrid doctrines and claim authorship. The Buddha himself was regarded as a Sramana due to the uniqueness of his teachings, which differed from the Vedic and Brahmanic religious traditions that were prevalent in ancient Indian religious and philosophical contexts. Similarly, his teachings were subjected to copying and reinterpretation by fellow Sramanas too. This raised the challenge of discerning authentic Buddha teaching amid a plethora of hybrid doctrines. To complicate matters, literacy was rare in ancient times, and Sramana teachings were primarily conveyed orally, akin to the game of telephone. This also created the opportunity for errors to appear. Adding to the complexity, some non-Buddhist Sramanas might falsely claim affiliation with Buddha to earn more alms. These fake Buddhist monks would potentially spread personal doctrine and claim they were taught by Buddha, perpetuating the unintentional spread of wrong views within Buddhism. Today, the issue of non-Buddhist content posing as Buddha's teachings persists. The internet is flooded with fake quotes that mislead beginners. Individuals, driven by personal beliefs, reinterpret Buddha's sermons, giving rise to new movements and schools. So, to protect ourselves from misinformation, it's crucial to rely on reliable sources. In the upcoming episode, we'll explore this topic to ensure we acquire accurate knowledge. Genuine wisdom and enlightenment on the journey to uncover the profound teachings of Buddhism can only be achieved through the right understanding. Well, there you have it. If you found this insightful, don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and share with others who might benefit. We'll reconnect with you in the next episode of Unveiling Buddhism soon. Wishing you all wellness, happiness, and peace on your journey. Until next time, take care.